Hi, welcome back. In this session, we will see the percentage format in Excel. Okay. If you really want to learn more Excel things, so please subscribe my channel, Rise Your Skills. And without further wasting time, let's see how the percentage format works. Okay. So let's come here. Here, these are the aspirant numbers. Basically, this is the score. Okay. So if you see name of the aspirant who attended the certification exam, okay, their percentage. For example, if you'd like to score the percentage, for example, this is in general nature, general format. If you see this, it is got selected currently cell with general format. For example, 0.20. Okay, let's try to make it 0.34. Okay, and so let me do one thing, 0.34. And I would like to convert into percentage. So how it works, I will show you. So this is generally 67, okay, 0.89, okay, 0.94. Some example I have given. So select this simply, just click this, okay. So generally it will be divided by 100, right? See how beautiful it is converted into the percentage. Okay, so if you don't want it, let's take any other format. It will be converted into number, or else you go to the general, okay, or else you go to the text. Okay, let's select the percentage again. So sorry, this is comma format. Okay, so the percentage you can able to do like this. And let me show you one more thing. Okay, uh, if you see, this is by dividing 100, it is got calculated. So let me try to show you another way, like, don't enter anything. So the currently, let me try to do this thing like, let's put it, okay, uh, column. So let me try to put, it might be another thing, okay, maybe second attempt. I wrote another attempt also. Okay, this is first attempt, this second attempt. So you know the percentage. So like 0.4050, you need not enter. So directly, if you would like to enter this one as a 20% as a 30%, let's do one thing. Let's select this. And either you can able to go by that one, or else come here. Let's select the percentage. So now it is selected the percentage, right? Simply write it. Okay, suppose he got 67%. Symbol will come automatically. Okay, so let's try to make this one. Okay, so let's try to do one thing. So let me select this as a percentage. So let's enter. So now 55, 78, 84, 79, 94. Like that, you can able to enter directly. Here what happens? We entered the numbers and selected. Okay, now you can able to see. Let me show you again. 0.34. Okay, so 34 it is got collected, selected. Okay, here I need not go. If I go 0.34, again it will be divided by 100. So better go 34, it will come like this. Okay, let's select this. Okay, this is how it works actually. I think if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks so much. Thanks for joining the session. Have a great day.